Today we'll be looking at indices, of which most of the students are having a problem in terms of on how to solve problem involving what indices. So like this one we have evaluate open bracket 64 over 125 close bracket to the power negative 1/3 or to the power negative 1 over 3. So when you encounter this question here, this question is very simple, very simple. Very simple. Very simple. So the first step here, you have to get rid of this negative sign. And how do you get rid of negative sign? What you do, you do 1 over open bracket 64 over 125 close bracket. Now this power, it will be in positive form, 1 over 3 here. Okay, why doing this? Because of when you introduce this one over, mean that the power here, it will carry what positive. So when we reach at this stage here, then what do here? 64 over 125. Then you continue, you do like this, 1 over. Then you introduce a cube root. You introduce what? A cube root. A cube root. Then here, this, the denominator here, it will be just a cube root here. Then this, then you might have become that 2, it will be the power, which is 1. Then we have 64 over 125 here. Okay. So here, we'll do what is the cube root of 64, and what is the cube root of 125. Okay. We have 1 over, then open bracket here. Now, what is the cube root of 64? Meaning the number which can be raised itself 3 times to give us 64. Definitely that to be that's 3 4. 4. So definitely 4. When you say 4, 4 times 4 times 4. Right? So the cube root of 64, which is what? 4. Then the cube root of 125 is 5. The cube root of 125 is equal to 5. Then open bracket, then the power here. Then here, when we reach at this stage, then you say 1 over, then 4 to the power 1 is 2 to give us what? 4 over, then 5 to the power 1 is 2 to give us what? 5. Okay. So we reach at this stage here. Now it's 1 divided by this fraction here. 1 divided by this fraction. Okay. So when this way, most of the students they get confused. How there's over here? So to make it simple, same as 1 divided by this fraction. So you can write in this way: 1 divided by 4 over 5. Then this one should over 1 here. So you can change this division to go to multiplication. So to be 1 times, when you change the sign here, then this fraction to reciprocate, meaning the denominator will become what? The numerator will become what? The denominator. So to be 5 over 4. So 1 times 5 over 4 definitely to give out the same, which is 5 over 4. Then 4 into 5 to give us what? One whole number, 1 over 4. It means that you have evaluated that instead there.